Hello there, I'm Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and we're looking at Affinity Designer. And today I want to tell you something about a little bug that's in the application, and it could cause you a bit of bother if you haven't realised it's there and you don't know how to fix it. Let's get in there and sort it out. We've got a group here, and I'm going to select that group. So the group is selected. Let's go over to our layers panel. You can see group selected. If I want to select and move something here, then I can take that and move it like that, which is what you want to happen. But if you've made any changes to these icons at the top here, then you might have some problems. So this button here, look, allows selection to consider items while inside a group. Let's click on that there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this here. Oh, look, it's moving just one part of it and not all of it. So what's annoying about it is that the icon doesn't show that there's been a change of state of the tool. Okay, so let's click that again. That's Command Z, and let's do it again. Look, it all moves in one go. Just click off it, click on it, and it moves all in one go, which is what you want most of the time. It's not that often you want to move just one part of a group because you've grouped them and you want to keep them together. Now, if you look at the other things here, like this one here, look. This with the Enable Transform Origin. Let's click on that. It changes from light colour to being a grey colour. And if we do this one here, which is Hide Selection while dragging, that changes as well. If we do this one here, that changes as well. And this one changes as well. So you can see what's actually sort of in play here. When you do this one, nothing. Now that I think is a bug. I think Affinity is going to have to change that. I'll send them a message, and if you send them a message as well, then they'll probably change it because they're good like that. Okay, this is Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and there's a quick one with Affinity Designer to show you what to do if you have that situation where things are not working as you expect them to, like this.